got this nifty little storage bin from Burlington. I want to put eyeshadows and different stuff like that in here. So yeah, we got that. And then I got this is just a mess over here, y'all. I got this traveling makeup case for Christmas, so it'll get used. And then I got this vanity fridge for Christmas as well. So I'm gonna try to see about getting this area clean, or at least doing as much as I can. So y'all bear with me. Here we go. So in previous videos, I have shown makeup in a tote. This is the tote. So this is what we're gonna try to clean out and get more organized. I'm also going to work on getting this box cleaned out and getting my little vanity section cleaned as well.
but I can't see if you're right here next to me. Something's wrong, wasn't it fun? Is it now we're done? You get dressed, I'm like a mess, and you tell me to confess, and you tell me to confess. Oh, I don't know what to say, what to do, how to make you see. This is nothing in real life, it might just have been a bad dream. You can run, you can hide, but you can't put the blame on me, because you're acting like a volcano, turning to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us.
Okay, y'all, so I have ran into a small dilemma. Apparently, I have more eyeshadow and stuff than I thought I did, so it is technically already filling up the drawers that I have. Sorry about the lighting. So I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to do, because my plan was to like have my blush and highlighter in one section, and then the other two sections have my eyeshadows, because I know I have a lot of eyeshadow palettes. And my eyeshadow palettes are like taking up all three drawers. So I could move, I don't know, I gotta figure something out. So and I'm getting hot, so I gotta go fix me a drink, and then I'll be back.
Because you're acting like a volcano and make me feel outrageous. You keep teasing me, but you're acting like a volcano and make me feel outrageous. You keep teasing me, but you're nothing without me. Like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us.
Okay, y'all, so this is how far I have made it as far as organizing things. I think that I am on a good track. This is where I'm gonna stop it. I still have a little bit to do, but I feel like that's a whole lot better compared to where we started. So yeah, that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and let me know what you guys thought about it. I do plan on doing a video on like my filming setup once I get everything organized, so y'all be on the lookout for that as well. But thanks for tuning in to another video. Thank you for supporting palette therapy, and I will catch you in my next one.